Hi everyone! Welcome back sa aking video. Ito po ay ang class record and learner's monitoring notebook for school year 2026 to 2027. Dito po sa cover, pwede po natin dyan ilagay yung inyong picture at yung iba pang information na gusto nyong ilagay. Meron din po tayong mga pagpipilian ng mga cover designs na may picture at walang picture. Dito po sa first page, nandyan po yung title page at iba pang information ng teacher, ng school and school head. At ito po yung nilalaman ng notebook na to. Nandyan po yung DepEd School Calendar for school year 2026 to 2027, contact list and password section, may class program, teacher's class schedule, learner profile, list of transferees, class officers, homeroom PTA officers, reading profile for beginning, middle, and end of school year, numeracy profile for beginning, middle, and end of school year, nutritional status for beginning, middle, and end of school year, deworming and vaccination record, attendance records from June 2026 to April 2027, class records for first, second, and third term, percentage breakdown by component for grades 1 to 12. Key awards for learners, based po ito sa DepEd Order number 36 series of 2016. Final ratings, nandyan po yung sa first, second, and third term and summary of final ratings. List of oral duties, list of Project 6B's pupils, learners at risk of dropping out or LARDO, list of SBFP beneficiaries, list of 4Ps and IPs members, parents directory, and homeroom PTA attendance and minutes of meeting for first, second, and third term. Next po, ito na po yung 3-term school calendar in basic education for school year 2026 to 2027. Tapos, nandito po yung contact list and password section, class program for school year 2026 to 2027, teacher's class schedule from Monday to Sunday. Ito na po yung learner's profile for school year 2026 to 2027, up to 60 po ito. Next po ay ang list of transferees. Tapos nilagay ko na rin po dito yung checklist ng mga credentials or documents na dapat ay dala nila kapag sila ay magta-transfer. At meron din po tayo dito class officers, homeroom PTA officers, reading profile. Tapos dito po sa type of assessment, ilalagay nyo dito kung ang ginamit ninyong assessment ay CRLA or PhilErie. Tapos proficiency level from beginning, middle, and end of school year. Nandito naman po yung numeracy profile. Ilalagay nyo dito yung assessment na ginamit, halimbawa RMA, ganon. Ito naman po ay ang nutritional status. Meron tayong beginning, middle, and end of school year. Tapos meron din po tayong deworming and vaccination record. Tapos, may attendance record po tayo dito. Binase ko po ito doon sa SF2 ng DepEd. Sinimplify ko lang. Ito po ay from June 2026 up to April 2027. Ito. Next po ay ang class record. Ito po ay para sa first term. So, sa bawat term po, meron tayo ditong 12 class record forms for 12 subjects. Just in case po na may 12 subjects kayo, kasya po yung 12 subjects per term. Binis ko din po ito doon sa ating e-class record. Sinimplify ko lang din po. Nandito yung written works, performance task, term exam, and term grade. Dito po sa blank na may percent sign, ilalagay nyo po dyan yung percentage nila. Halimbawa sa written works, sa English, ilan bang percent, ganon. Okay, so sa bawat term po, may 12 na class record forms. Ito naman yung sa second term. And ito naman po ang sa third term. Ito na po yung percentage breakdown by component. Halimbawa sa English, yung written work 30%, yung performance task 50%, at yung sa exam ay 20%. So ilalagay nyo lang po dito sa mga blank yung kanilang mga percent. Tapos ito po yung key awards for learners. Based po ito sa DepEd Order number 36 series of 2016. And then first term final ratings. Nandito na rin po yung mean SD and PL ng bawat subject, second term, third term na final ratings, and summary of final ratings. Ito po yung learners at risk of dropping out or LARDO. Meron din po tayo dito list of oral duties, list of Project 6B's pupils, list of school-based feeding program beneficiaries, yung sa SBFP, list of 4Ps and IPs members, and parents directory. Meron din po tayo ditong homeroom PTA meeting attendance and minutes of meeting. So ito po meron tayong tatlong set ng attendance and minutes of meeting para sa tatlong term. Just in case na bawat term may isang meeting kayo sa homeroom, kasya po ito. Meron po tayo ditong tatlong set ng attendance and minutes of meeting. Kung gusto niyo pong mag-order, message niyo po ako sa aking FB, Vina Sam. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!